Slow motion of Asian pear. Asian pear. I'm visiting a friend's garden in Renton, and my God, this is a nice scene. I'll be coming back once it's ripe. Right now it's a little small, but there's a lot, and there's a plum tree too. Check out this plum tree. I think it's a Stanley plum, kind of blue purple color. If only my arms were longer. I'm just so near, but no. Oh. Yeah. Back to the plum. Okay, I can't resist myself. I'll just eat one. So, if this tree had been thinned out, it might have less fruit, but each of the fruit would be much bigger, twice as much. This is very small for its size. I'm not sure it's gonna get any bigger. Yes, so